In class 9. So from the place from where the glacier starts melting, the lower the temperature during winter and heavy snowfall occurs in the polar regions and the regions of high mountains and plateaus. During summer, they are completely, snow does not melt away completely. The line on the mountain or the hill slopes from where the snow starts melting is known as the snow line. Below this line, the snow is melting away. The snow line does not exist at the same level in everywhere of the earth. The average altitude of snow line in the equator is 5,500 meter in the equatorial region, 4,000 to 5,000 meter in the Himalayan region, and 27,000 meter in the Alps, 0 meter in the polar regions. Next, after this, ices, starting with iceberg. Now this word iceberg is derived from the Dutch word that is Iselberg, which literally means ice mountain. Now when ice sheets, that is breaking up from the big ice chunks, they come and fall in the sea. Now what happens there? They often extend into the water and float as ice shelves. Sometimes they may break into gigantic individual blocks and float freely in the water, which may cause disaster. This large tabular individual blocks of freshwater ice are known as icebergs. Only 1/9 of its mass is visible, and the rest one cannot imagine. These icebergs are dangerous for ships and pose great hindrance to navigation. And the example of such iceberg we know is the Titanic, which was struck by a huge iceberg in 1912 in the Newfoundland area. Next comes the crease. What is crease? Now here look. This is a piece of ice. Okay, when in this ice such breaks are coming, so those are known as crease. These are big cracks which are occurring. Now why does they occur? Because when the glacier, they start bending and moves downslope, they start moving as there are lots of snow, pressure is created and they start moving forward. So from the top of the hill here, they start breaking, and these are known as varchets. Now this is one part. And what is creases? Creases may be covered. Now these are small breaks that occur on the glaciers, okay, as it is moving forward. This is very harmful because when there are snowfalls, these are getting filled up with snow, and those snows are very loose and make them invisible. So it is very harsh for the mountaineers because they might get trapped in those and they might lose their life also. Now the smaller ones which is being created there, sometime at the top there might be a big crack. Look. Yeah. So when there is a big crack or a solid ice mass is moving in an unequal movement, the crack becomes vertical and deep, which opens up to the head of the glacier. And when the ice breaks away from the rock wall behind and a whole free piece occurs, that breaking out is known as varchung. It is a German word which means mountain bark, and shrine means crack. Like creosotes, fractions are also very dangerous for mountaineers. In winter, they are filled with snow from avalanches from the mountains above, but later during summer they start melting and the open is being seen like this, and it becomes an obstacle for the climbers. Okay, I'm keeping it this way.